Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can unlock expeditions in Palworld. In order to do so, here we are in Palworld, and I have unlocked the expedition station, and we're going to go ahead and open it up so that you could see for yourself exactly what the limitations are here in terms of accessing expeditions. So you can see here that in order to unlock this expedition, we need to defeat the boss at Rain Syndicate Tower. So that's the first main boss in the game, so we're on our way to go do that. The other thing, in order to build the expedition station, you need to be at a level of at least 15. Once you are level 15, then you will unlock the technology that allows you to access the PAL Expedition Station. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.